Brendin, hi.
Hello, how's it going?
Going good. How are you? How was your day so far?
Great, great. I'm just waking up and getting ready for the day.
Yeah, good morning. So my name is Carlina, and I wanted to ask you a few questions about your journey at Estenove, Turkey.
Okay.
So how many months has it been that you've gotten your hair transplant?
It's been a little over 6 months.
Perfect. How was your process overall? How was your journey in Istanbul with us?
It was great. I mean, I was a little nervous coming out because I've never traveled by myself.
Mhm.
And you guys made it like very clear with where to go, the communication, kind of just guiding me along the way. And when I got there, everybody was very friendly, and the process wasn't very painful. It was very You guys made it very comfortable, and I'm really happy I did it because I love my results.
It looks very good, by the way.
Thank
Everything
you,
great.
thank you, thank you.
I'm sure after the 1 year has been completed, it will look even better and you'll feel even better.
Oh
Uh,
yeah.
how did it affect your confidence overall?
Well, growing up, I've always had like a receding hairline and a lot of thinning. So my biggest thing, just to have like my hairline back. I don't think I've had my hairline since I was like 12 or 13. So it's just crazy. I mean, I feel a lot more confident, and with everything I do in my careers, my image is a big part in play in that. So just to have that, it really gives me that push to continue doing what I'm doing.
That's amazing. I'm very glad that you are happy with your results as well. And another question would be, how, like, because you're the voice of so many people that want to get a hair transplant, and you are a walking result on your own. How has your friends and family reacted to this process and you getting a hair transplant?
Everybody thought it was crazy at first for just flying out to a different country. But after like seeing my results, they're shocked, and they're like asking me a lot of questions on how they can do it. I've had a lot of people reach out to me and message me where to go, and I've just been giving advice. So I don't mind sharing and helping people because this helped me and changed my life. Everybody's saying I'm looking a lot younger than I am, so that's a best confident boost to me. So it's been great.
That's perfect. And how did you find Estenove, Turkey? Like,
I
where did you
I
find
did
us from?
Yeah, I did so much research like through Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, just searching like the doctors about the clinic, about just everything. My ADHD kicked in, and I just went on a full like investigative research.
That's that's cool. Not the ADHD part, but the investigation part.
Yeah.
And I was wondering, was there any like wow moment that struck you when you came to Estenove? Like, what was the most important part for you to work with us?
Um, as soon as I like got there and got to the hotel, that was like my wow factor. Like, oh wow, I'm like I'm really doing this. I can't turn back now. And getting to the clinic and seeing like, okay, it's an actual clinic. It's
Yeah.
not just like, somebody's just in the hotel room just doing the procedure, or like walking into like, my biggest fear was like thinking I would be walking into a place and it'd be kind of like a mill with just people lined up and everybody just getting transplants like residual over and over other people. So it gave me confidence to know, like, especially your guys' clinic, that you limit the capacity of how many people you see daily to create like quality and results. So that was a big thing for me.
Perfect. And also, you have a WhatsApp chat that you can still talk to, like medical advisors, and it's called our
Yes.
aftercare team. So, how has that helped you adjust to the post-operation, post-procedure process?
Yeah, so anytime I had like any questions, or just needed some clarification or what to expect in certain stages of the regrowth, they were there to kind of communicate with me and let me know, hey, this is what's expected. This is what's looking good. Let's try this. So it's a team. So it's really great to have, especially in this regrowth process. You want to make sure everything's going right and you're doing things right. So they are there to give you that clarification, which I love.
Perfect. That's a very nice answer. Thank you so much. Brandon, that was all our questions. Thank you so much for your time, your very special time with us.
Thank you.
I hope you have a great remaining 6 months, and we'll be waiting for your pictures.
Awesome. Yes, there'll be a lot.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Brandon. Have a wonderful day.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.